you not park your bike here, please?
I'm not parked. I'm taking from the garden.
Over the last 2 weeks.
Why?
The other car, because it's overhanging into my, not your bike, the other person, or this bike. I don't know which bike it is. The other person that's been here for 2 weeks.
I don't know.
Well, whoever's doing it, can you tell them not to do it?
Why not park there?
Because it's leaning over into my garden and you're banging these poles and I can hear it through my whole house and you're disturbing me. The guy went at 5:26 this morning.
But you always get complaint.
Sorry?
Always complain.
But you're making so much noise and you're disturbing me, and now you're trespassing when it's overhanging and I have to go out of it in my own house.
I don't understand.
I dropped a note in yesterday.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay.
I read that.
Well, if that other bike comes, I'll try and speak to him. If you can have a word with if they come back as well.
Okay, boy.